In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Morningstar Investor free trial. If you're in Australia, you have access to an extended 4-week trial, which gives you extra time to explore the investor features before committing. Here's exactly how to get started, what to look for on the site, and how to make the most of the promo available in 2026. First, visit the Morningstar Australia Investor trial page. Make sure you're on the Australian regional site so you see the correct offer. A quick way to confirm is to look for an Australia region indicator on the page or in the site's footer, or check that the trial length clearly states 4 weeks. If you land on a page showing a shorter trial or pricing for another region, switch the region to Australia and refresh so the local offer appears. Once you're on the Australian trial page, proceed with the on-screen start or try buttons tied to the investor plan. Next, take note that this Australian version often does not require a credit card up front. That means you can usually activate access without entering payment details at the start, which provides a risk-free way to evaluate the service. You may be prompted to create or sign into a standard account and verify it before your access begins. Just follow the prompts and keep an eye out for any confirmation message or email that indicates your trial is active. Because no card is typically required to begin, you won't be charged automatically during the trial window. Still, it's smart to note the trial end date and set a reminder so you can decide whether to continue well before it expires. Finally, there's a promo opportunity for 2026. If you decide to upgrade to a paid 12-month subscription, you can apply the code NY33 before January 31st, 2026, either during your trial or after it ends, to receive 33% off. You'll usually find a promo or coupon field during checkout or on the billing upgrade page. Enter the code exactly as shown, confirm the discounted yearly price, and complete your upgrade. Offers can change, so always check the current terms on the payment screen before you finalize. To get the most out of your 4 weeks, spend time exploring the tools you care about most and organize your watch lists or research workflow early. That way, you'll have a clear sense of value by the time your reminder pops up. Enjoy the extended Australian trial and take advantage of the 2026 discount if it suits your investing needs.